The bar graph below shows the stages in the life cycle of an insect and the length of time the insect remains at each stage if of its life cycle. Is a typo error there. Alright, so you see a graph here. This is all the stages. And so you have an egg, larva, pupa, and adult, which is the life cycle of a the four stages of the life cycle of some insects. Remember, there are two types of life cycles that you need to learn: the four stage and the three stage. Uh, Plants has a three stage life cycle. So do many animals like humans and birds. When it comes to insects, insects can be divided into two groups: one with a four-stage life cycle, and another group with a three-stage life cycle. So this animal obviously has a four-stage life cycle, all right, and a four-stage life cycle goes with like this. Okay, normally an egg is laid, which will hatch into a larva. The larva will eat a lot of food until it's ready to become a pupa. Then it pupates to become a pupa, and it stays a pupa for some time without eating, without moving. You know, until it is ready to emerge into an adult. All right, and the adult is needs to find a mate, and after the adults have mated, an egg is normally laid, and the life cycle continues. So in this case, you're supposed to find how many days, so you're supposed to answer, figure out how many days the insect takes to become an adult after the egg is hatched. Okay, so the adult stage is here and the egg stage is here. You're supposed to find out after the egg is hatched. So it spends the insect spends 2 days as an egg, right? So you do not count these 2 days because it is still an egg and it is has not hatched. Remember, the question is asking you after the egg is hatched. Now after the egg is hatched, it becomes a larva. Here you see there are 6 days the insect spends in its larva stage, okay, larval stage, and after which it is ready to become a pupa. Okay, so after 6 days of larva stage, it becomes a pupa, and it spends 4 days in the pupa stage before it emerges to become an adult. And so from hatching until it becomes an adult, it spends 6 days as a larva and 4 days as a pupa. So the answer is 10 days. Now you do not count the egg stage because it has not hatched yet, and you do not count the number of days in its adulthood because the question is asking you until it becomes an adult. So there's no need to count the number of days that it spends as an adult. All right. So again, a very easy question. Don't understand what I've said, please pause and replay or rewind. All right, do take notes because the more notes you take, the more your brain can remember it. Okay, and if you still don't understand, do send me your questions. All right, in the comments below. Thank you very much.